Hey, this Runner Squad, back here for another video. You already know it's on the channel. And today in this video, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to get a Subway Surfers hack. So first, you want to go to Google and search up Ocean of APK Subway Surfers. This one. And once you've typed in that, you're going to take this first link. Then you want to scroll down, all the way down, until you're going to see this download button. Right here. Click it. And then it's going to pop up this page with an Android guy dancing. You just want to watch him. And after you watched him for a couple minutes, like for a couple seconds, then it should pop up this right here. Click OK. Once you click OK, guys, it should be downloading. As you can see on my screen, guys, it is downloading. So I'll be back, guys, when that's done. Alright, guys, so once that is done, you want to go to Files. And then it should pop up this hack right here. Press install. Wait, I have more hacks. So delete this hack. If you haven't watched that video, check it out. The link is in the description. You want to press all. Right. Oh, because I have Subway Surfers, guys. Alright, so if you're trying to download a hack, delete the game if you have it. Now, go back to Files. Now it's going to be loading and installing, guys. Then let it install. You can? Okay.
Is there drinks in there? What? Are there drinks? I'm thirsty. No.
Alright, guys. So we're not leaving.
Okay. Come on.
Wait, guys. Alright, guys. So it's done, and you want to press done. Or open if you want to open the app right now. Okay. Alright, guys. Now, now let's go to the game, guys. Now you want to go to the game, and as you can see, it's a new game. No, it's over here. Alright, guys, so we're going to see my landlord's dead dog, Grave. He died like a couple weeks ago. Got hit by a semi-truck.
2 days.
Guys, it is loaded. And guys, look. Watch how much money I have. Boom. Look how much skateboards I have. No, I'm not. His grave's over there. Alright, guys, so look how much money I have. I have every single character, guys. Let's see.
I think it's right here. Yeah, it's right here.
No, I think it's underneath that. Yeah, it's this one. It's that one. That's his grave. Alright, guys, so I'm going to do a gameplay on it in my next video. That's the other dog. I'm going to do a gameplay on the other video. But, guys, I'm doing a video playing with my friend Kimberly. Right, like after this video. And then I'm going to be doing a video doing a gameplay on this game. As always, guys, subscribe to the channel. Turn on post notifications. Smack that like button. Let's get this video to 10 likes as always. And always, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Love you guys.